TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 4 p.m. Eastern time on Wednesday as we reach that closing bell. Markets finishing in the positive, but off of the highs that we had earlier in the day. You got the Dow positive 70 points, trading 26,854. S&P's up 13 points, finishing at 29.92. Had traded above 3,000 intraday for the first time at one point. NASDAQ up 60 points, or about 0.75%, leading the way, closing it out at 82.02, and the Russell up 3 points, or about 0.2, trading at 15.65. As we started off, finish up the day, reach that closing bell, checking out the VIX. Quite an acceleration to the downside as the market traded higher. VIX fading most of the day, 13.15 on that volatility index. Let's jump over the future markets as we reach the end of the trading day. We'll start it off with the Dow. There's your acceleration at 8:30 this morning as we get the prepared remarks from Chairman Powell as he was going in front of the House Financial Services Committee. We finished the day out at 26,860. You can see how tame of a day it really was after we had that acceleration to higher prices. We pull back to the middle of that range, and then we just sit there all the way from about 10:30 this morning, 11 a.m. this morning, for the last 5 hours of trading. Not much action. NASDAQ 100, pretty similar story, although we never quite got the pullback that we did in the Dow. NASDAQ 100 trades to a high of 79.46, currently trading 79.27. S&P 500, backing it up a bit. There is your run from 8:30. We reach a high just before 10 a.m. of 3,007 in this September futures contract, currently trading 29.97. Excuse me, crude oil. We got the EIA inventory number this morning, 10:30 a.m. We saw a draw of 9+ million barrels. Estimate was only a draw of 3 million barrels, less supply in the market, higher prices. Crude trades from about $59.50 before that number. We're now sitting at $60.34. Gold contract traded higher for most of the session as well, with lower rates coming at us at the end of July, seems to be the consensus with the prepared remarks. He also, being Chairman Powell, took question and answers, didn't really affect things as he had made his statement, and he clung to what he was talking about in terms of lower rates. 14.19, the price of August gold, and we also saw some dollar weakness, euro strength. We got the euro trading out there, 112.54. Stay tuned, folks. We got a treat. We got Basil Chapman filling in for the second hour of the Tom O'Brien Show. He'll be live from 4 till 5 as he wraps up this trading day. Stay tuned. Basil Chapman coming up right now.